Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to use Google Nest as Bluetooth speaker. Let's go. First way, open Google Home. Choose your Google Nest device. Cast my audio. The audio from your device will be streamed to your Google Nest device. Second way, say "Hey Google, turn on Bluetooth." Open Bluetooth settings, find your Nest device. Pair. The audio from your device will be streamed to your Google Nest device. This way you can connect your phone, TV, laptop, PC and other devices. That's it. Now you know how to use Google Nest as a Bluetooth speaker. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.